What's up? Welcome back and welcome in to Red's Place. Today we're doing a quick asked and answered segment. I'm just gonna start going through the comments and pulling out questions and just answering one question at a time, a little bit of a quick hitter. Today's question is, can you use someone else's vehicle to do Uber? Simple answer is yes, absolutely. You can use whatever vehicle you want for the most part. A couple of caveats, you just gotta be able to send in the registration, make sure it has insurance. Other than that, you can use other people's vehicles. When my vehicle was in a crash at one point, I was using a vehicle that's registered in my mom's name. It had insurance on it, it was registered, submitted the paperwork, no issues at all. Just make sure when you do that, you go and add on the rideshare endorsement to your insurance, or however your insurance goes about it. Make sure you add that in so that you're properly insured. But overall, simple answer, you can use someone else's vehicle. That's Uber, Uber Eats. Honestly, I think it goes for any platform because, like all the delivery ones, your car doesn't really matter too much. I was driving, my car wasn't working properly this past winter, so I was driving my girlfriend's car for about 3.5 months while I was doing Shipt and Instacart. Not once did I have a problem. And I wasn't even the car that was registered to the system. So for a lot of the stuff, it doesn't really matter. But overall, simple answer, yes, you can use somebody else's vehicle to do Uber. Keep asking your questions, guys. I will answer them as we go along. But until next time, guys, like, comment, share. Let me know what you think.